Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we begin an unforgettable journey across India, a land of incredible diversity, rich history, vibrant cultures, and hardworking people. From peaceful villages to busy cities, from green fields to crowded markets, every corner of this country has a unique story to tell. Our journey begins in Bihar, one of India's oldest and most historic states. Known for the ancient Nalanda University, the birthplace of great civilizations, and the teachings of Lord Buddha, Bihar is rich in culture and heritage. Beyond its history, it is the hard-working farmers, skilled laborers, and warm-hearted people who truly represent the spirit of this land. As we continue, we arrive in Uttar Pradesh, home to magnificent monuments, sacred rivers, colorful markets, and vibrant traditions. Every street here reflects centuries of history, faith, and everyday life. Next comes Delhi, the capital of India, where the past and the future exist side by side. Ancient forts and bustling old markets stand alongside modern skyscrapers, metro trains, and busy business districts. It is a city that never stops moving. Traveling west, we reach Rajasthan, famous for its golden deserts, majestic forts, royal palaces, colorful festivals, and rich traditions. Nearby, Punjab welcomes us with endless green fields, hardworking farmers, delicious food, and unmatched hospitality. In the north, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand offer breathtaking mountains, peaceful valleys, rivers, forests, and quiet villages where nature shapes everyday life. Moving east, West Bengal is celebrated for its art, literature, culture, and famous cuisine. Further into the northeast, states like Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and others amaze visitors with lush tea gardens, rolling hills, waterfalls, forests, and unique tribal traditions. In southern India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana showcase magnificent temples, beautiful coastlines, advanced technology, vibrant festivals, and centuries-old cultural traditions. These states beautifully blend heritage with modern development. On the western coast, Maharashtra is home to Mumbai, India's financial capital, where dreams, business, and entertainment come together. Gujarat is known for entrepreneurship, industry, and remarkable economic growth, while Goa attracts travelers from around the world with its stunning beaches and relaxed atmosphere. As we travel through this incredible country, we witness the real face of India: farmers working in the fields, laborers building roads and homes, shepherds guiding their sheep and goats, families preparing traditional meals, fishermen heading out before sunrise, craftsmen creating handmade products, and countless people working tirelessly to support their families. These everyday moments tell the true story of India. India is not just a country of monuments and famous landmarks. It is a nation built on hard work, resilience, tradition, and hope. Every village has its own identity, every city has its own rhythm, and every state adds a unique color to the nation's incredible diversity. Despite speaking different languages, following different customs, and celebrating different festivals, the people of India remain connected by a shared spirit of unity and mutual respect. This documentary is more than a journey across landscapes. It is a journey through the lives, traditions, cultures, and dreams of millions of ordinary people who make India extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay with us as we continue exploring the hidden stories, local traditions, delicious food, beautiful landscapes, and inspiring people that make India one of the most fascinating countries in the world. Let's continue our journey.